In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio pitch with the pitch shifter effect. Whether you're correcting a voice that's a little too low or creating a creative effect that lifts a melody, this walkthrough will show you how to apply and fine-tune pitch changes with clarity and control. Start by selecting your audio clip in the timeline. Click directly on the clip you want to adjust so it's highlighted. It's important that the correct clip is selected before you add any processing because the effect will attach to whatever is active. If your timeline is busy, a quick zoom in can make targeting the right clip easier and help you avoid accidental edits elsewhere. Next, open your effects panel. Inside the panel, navigate through effects, then audio effects, then time and pitch, and choose pitch shifter. This is the tool designed specifically for changing pitch without altering the clip's length. If your workspace looks different or panels are rearranged, that's okay. The effects panel is often docked with other tools, and you can reveal it from your workspace layout if needed. Once you're in the right folder, you'll see Pitch Shifter ready to go. Apply the effect by dragging Pitch Shifter directly onto your selected audio clip in the timeline. When you drop it, the effect is now part of that clip's processing chain. You can confirm it's attached by opening the Effect Controls panel. With the clip still selected, you'll see Pitch Shifter listed and ready for adjustments. Now let's customize the settings to get the sound you want. Start with semitones. This moves the pitch in musical steps. For example, setting it to +2 raises the pitch by 2 notes, while minus values lower it. Small moves often sound the most natural, so begin conservatively and adjust as your ear guides you. Use sense to fine-tune those changes in smaller increments. If the pitch feels close but not quite right, nudge it slightly with sense to land the exact spot without jumping a full note. Precision controls the quality of the processing. Higher precision generally delivers cleaner results, especially on complex material like vocals or chords, but it can use more system resources. If you notice your system slowing down, lower it temporarily while adjusting, then raise it before your final export. Finally, adjust mix to blend the shifted sound with the original. A higher mix emphasizes the new pitch, while a lower mix keeps more of the original character. Subtle blends can preserve natural tone, while full mix settings are great for bold effects. And that's it. Your audio's pitch is